so hot. I feel like every time I shoot, like I'm always hot. I'm always sweaty. Like there's never not a time. Is that a word? Never not. Never. Whatever. I'm always sweaty. That's the good stuff. Like, hey everybody, how are you? It feels so good though. Just a second, let me just. Yes, it's between my boobs. So I'm starting off. Why am I yelling? So I'm starting off with a bare face as usual. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a minute, like months, so I might be a little rusty. I have just been getting like getting glue sticks. Getting glue sticks and just kind of like, because my eyebrows tend to like, I even have to shave like that, like the tail off, because it is doing too much. So not a lot, just like a little bit. I don't have any eyebrow tamer gel stuff, so yeah, this is, I don't know, I'm on a budget. So I quit my job on Christmas Eve. Finally, I've been talking about how much I hate my job for all this time, and I finally did it. And after I quit my job, 6 people left after me, and one of the bitchy, cunny managers that used to give me hell and used to make me cry, she got fired. I feel like I might have not been like the glue, but I definitely did my part at that job. And like, even like the store manager keeps texting my Nana saying that she misses me. Like, I bet you do miss me now. Y'all treated me like shit, like actual shit, you know, for almost 2 years. Like, of course, I bet you do miss me. I would miss me too. But you know what? That's why you're not supposed to take people for granted. You know, I was there for almost 2 years, and I only called out like, what, 3-4 times. It's pretty good. While everybody else was going on a vacation every week. Like, then y'all complain about how y'all don't have no money. Of course you don't have no money, because you're never here. Like, you're always calling out. You're always going on 1-week vacations. Like, so I've been out of a job. I still have money because I've, you know, I have my ways about me. So I'm doing pretty good. Good thing, like, before I quit, I made sure that I bought everything everything that I wanted. I have like 11 wigs now. This is a new one. I'll do a video on her another time. I bought all the makeup that I wanted. I'm just trying to live my best life. I got music coming. After, like, I don't know what happened, but something happened and I just had like a total breakdown. Like, I cannot keep living like this. I try to be a positive person, but in here but yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna do what I want, and I'm not gonna be on anybody else's time but my own. Yeah, so back to my face. I'm sorry, that was a long rant. So I still put a base over. This is supposed to be an eyeshadow base, but I use it for my brows.
You like the view, like my skin, you like the hue, wanna beat it.
So I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows. I won't like dwell on that too much because everybody does their eyebrows differently. So you're gonna need some concealer. Oh, my battery's dying. Or whatever concealer you use, we gonna use it. Okay, so get your concealer. If you already know how to do how to apply base, that's fine. For those of you who don't know how to apply base, just bop, bop. You don't need to do, you know, anything extra. Set it gently, lightly. I'm gonna set it lightly. And I'm kind of using Marilyn Monroe as an example, I guess, because I like the shape of her eyelids. And you know, if us hooded girls, we don't have much of a shape. We just, it's sad. But there's ways to work around that. I'm gonna take this really skinny little brush, whatever palette. It's all mattes. It's all like nudes and neutrals and shit like that. You can use whatever you need. Basically, all you're gonna need for this tutorial is some browns and some tans, and you'll be good. Just like a little bit of that. I just dug right in, talk about it a little bit. So I'll start like right here, because I have a natural kind of like loop right there, but it don't lead to nowhere. So I'm gonna go right here, just like above my crease. Right here. Oh, that's perfect. And then go like this. So just a simple movement here Boom.
Never find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sides with just a simple kiss. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry.
So now I'm gonna get my blending brush, and I'm gonna use like kind of like a hazel. I don't know. I'm trying to use words that like these beauty gurus be using, but I'm bad with colors. So we're just gonna use her right here, and we're just gonna work that right there, just so that we have some type of warmth on here.
Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your socks with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view. Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue. Laffy taffy, bubble gum. Like the sweet, that's yummy yum.
And at this time, my cousin came by with her crying baby like she always does, and I can no longer talk, so I'm switching over to voiceover. Hello. I'm going back in with that brown to kind of add that into my crease. And now you're going to take your concealer and cut out your crease. Take your time with it, there's no rush.
Call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sides with just a simple kiss. Never find a...
And when you're cutting your crease, make sure that when you open your eyes, that the cutout is above your actual crease so you can actually see it. You don't want it to get hidden.
Sides with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view. Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue. Laffy taffy, bubble gum. Like the sweet, that's yummy yum. Want my baby.
And I like to go under my brows just to make sure that that's cleaned up a little bit more, so that my line is more visible. I'm basically contouring for the eyelids, basically.
Sweetest girl, you don't wanna lose me.
Now you're going to want to take your concealer brush, whatever you have, and blend that out.
Never find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sides with just a simple kiss. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie.
You're going to need a tan color for this. It should be like a few shades lighter than your skin tone. Try to get it to match like your concealer shade or something like that. I'm just gonna pat that on top of what I just cut out and concealed.
Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue.
Make sure to blend.
Like the sweet, that's yummy yum. Want my baby boy, he's done. We gon' chill us.
And then I added some more brown on top.
Grab a camera, we can make a movie. Come on, baby, you could be my groupie. Sweetest girl, you don't wanna lose me.
Trying to blend the brown and the tan together so it doesn't look like it's too harsh or anything like that. And again, I'm popping that reddish brown.
Find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me
I got this face primer from Hush. I don't know what it's called, but it'll be in the description box and everything.
It's a simple kiss.
I decided to add some liquid highlighter because I knew that I wasn't gonna highlight a lot.
Call me cherry.
I kind of grew out of that whole beaming look.
Girl, quite like this. Blow your socks with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view. Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue. Laffy taffy, bubble gum. Like the sweet, that's yummy yum. Want my baby boy, he's done. We gon' chill us, sip and run them hoes. Spend that fuck with my juvie. Grab a camera, we can make a movie. Come on, baby, you could be my groupie. Sweetest girl, you don't wanna lose me.
Now I'm putting a black face paint on my face. I really want my contour to be poppin'.
Never find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sights with just a simple kiss. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your socks with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view. Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue. Laffy taffy, bubble gum. Like the sweetest, yummy yum. Want my baby boy, he's dumb. We gon' chill at 6 and run them hoes. Spend that fuck with my juvie. Grab a camera, we can make a movie. Come on, baby, you could be my groupie. Sweetest girl, you don't wanna lose me. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sights with just a simple kiss. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your socks with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view.
I also added a wing liner and I popped some white liner on my lower lash line. Right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes.
Want my baby boy, he's dumb. We gon' chill at 6 and run them hoes. Spend that fuck with my juvie. Grab a camera, we can make a movie. Come on, baby, you could be my groupie. Sweetest girl, you don't wanna lose me. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Not like me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your sights with just a simple kiss. Never find a girl as sweet as me. Sweet as pie, call me cherry. You'll never find a girl quite like this. Blow your socks with just a simple kiss. Juicy fruit, who is you? Like my ass, you like the view. Like my skin, you like the hue. Wanna beat it black and blue. Laffy taffy, bubble gum. Like the sweetest, yummy yum. Want my baby boy, he's dumb. We gon' chill at 6 and run them hoes. Spend that fuck with my
Finally, a lip gloss fan. I found my perfect shade from ColourPop. I would put it in the description box, but it looks like they just don't sell it anymore or are repackaging. I don't know what they're doing, but they need to bring it back right now. But that's it for my Valentine's Day makeup look. Please make sure that you subscribe.
fruit, who is you?
Bye.
You like the view.